Hi, I'm Kelly Chard from medical specialist accounting firm GrowthMD. I talk to so many taxpayers across the course of the year, and nearly everybody I speak to wants a more proactive relationship with their accountant. And we can't blame them, right? We all want successful, rewarding relationships with our advisors. In my opinion, the best way to have this proactive relationship with your accountant is to make sure you're talking regularly, to have check-in points, and really have that face time with your accounting team. Now, coming into Q4, financial year 2024, there is a perfect checkpoint, check-in or meeting time ahead, and it is in relation to end of financial year planning. Now, we do this with all our clients at GrowthMD, but I am going to actually take you through our process, what we talk about, and show you why it is so valuable for you in your business or in your tax strategy. So number one on our agenda would be a general update and check-in. I know it sounds really simple, but this actually doesn't happen a lot in many accounting relationships, and this is where things can go wrong. So making sure that you check in, have updates. What's going on in your business? Has your employment role changed? Has your spouse gone back to work? Have you had new kids? How are your investments going? What is your financial advisor recommending? These things are so crucial for your accountant to know so they can deliver the best advice to you and let you know of any tax changes or financial industry changes that are going to impact you. Number two would be a general structure check-in. Now, so important each year to check in, is your structure still fit for purpose? Has there been changes to the way your business operates or income flows through your group structure that mean that a new structure should be considered? Has there been legislation changes? Basically, is your structure just old and not fit for purpose anymore? Is it not tax efficient? So all these things need to be considered. I think annually, a check-in, how's your structure going? Is it fit for purpose? Is there any further work we need to do with you to get you into the best structure? Number three on the agenda will be actually getting down to the nitty-gritty and looking at your numbers. How has your business gone during the year, or how much income have you earned from your consulting or employment services? Do you have investment income? Putting all of that together and projecting out your position for the financial year. Then looking at what the tax is on that, what you've paid, what expected liabilities are going to come up in the future. Now, this process is very important. There's a lot of laws around trust distributions and dividend minutes and when things like that should be done. Important to get all that done, nailed down and completed as best you can before the end of the financial year. Number four is when we start talking about tax strategy and what you can do in the remainder of the financial year to put yourself in the best position. So we'd be looking at business income and expenses, timing of expenses and deductions and how that impacts things, particularly with tax rates changing next year. Superannuation limits and contributions and tax impacts, exempt benefits, how we're going to distribute to amongst your family group. So there's lots of different things and lots of other strategies and deductions that we can put in place now if we have time, if we have the meeting early enough, and we have a plan. And number five, once we know the plan for the end of this financial year, we look ahead to next financial year. So what is changing from 1 July that you need to be aware of? It could be things with employees, super guarantee changing, tax brackets changing, new legislation coming in to effect from 1 July. So you need to know those things before they happen. So having a good chat about those in this meeting is really important to set you up for the beginning of the new financial year. So now we've talked through that process that we do at GrowthMD. I hope you can see the value in that and how that can really have a huge impact on your tax and financial position. Now, if this is something that you've been struggling to put in place with your current accounting team, please reach out. We would love to help you at GrowthMD.